Nice to meet you guys. This is Erica. Welcome to How to Jodo. This time, let's explore the differences between forms and workflows to help you make informed decisions when setting up your working processes. In summary, forms and workflows differ in two aspects. Firstly, in common scenarios, forms are mainly used for collecting information for individual tasks, while workflows are more likely for cooperative efforts within teams, especially approval processes. Secondly, for permission management, especially when managing visible and editable information, we have distinct approaches for forms and workflows. In forms, we do that by setting field permissions applied for the entire form, whereas in workflows, they are managed at a per node level, which means visible and editable information can be different for each step of your workflow. It will be much clearer to just create a form and a workflow. To simplify the decision-making process, just ask yourself one question. Do I need to involve others in completing this task? If the answer is yes, for example, I need a manager's review or collaboration with a coworker on the task, then choose a workflow. If not, go for a form. This time, to further improve our human resource management app, I want to add a process for employees to request leave and a place to register the approved leaves for attendance management. All the leave requests have to be reviewed by the manager to complete. It is teamwork, so it will be a workflow. As to the leave registration, it is a simple data collection process and individual work, so it will be a form. Now, let's start with our leave request workflow and leave registration form. This is a rather common scenario, so let's see if we can find a template to save us some time. Here is a perfect match. Let's just install it. And then copy the leave request form to our Human Resource Management app. Then let's go to the Human Resource Management app, rename the form. For the leave registration, we can simply copy the workflow and then transfer it into a regular form. We can rename the form and remove the fields for approval comments. Our leave request workflow and leave registration form are all set. If we get into the edit mode of the leave registration form, select a field, we will be able to edit the field permissions. To decide if the field is visible or editable, we can also do that for the other fields. Whereas, if we get into the edit mode of a workflow form, for example, the leave request workflow, select a field, and the notification says the workflow has been enabled, we will have to manage the field permissions for each node. It means that we will have to go to the workflow page and manage the field permissions on a per node level, except for the end node. And we also need to set up an approver for each task node. Now we have our workflow all set. When someone submits a leave request, as a manager, I will receive the request at my tasks. I can review and approve it. The automated process makes workflow a great match for most collaborative tasks, especially those that involve standardized operating procedures, which makes workflow your ideal replacement for approval systems. Disregarding their common scenarios, forms can also serve well for simple collaborative tasks that need no sequential submissions among teammates to complete, so don't be restricted by their definitions. Tailor your choice to what best suits your specific work needs. In this video, we created a simple approval system for our human resource management system to show you the differences between forms and workflows. However, real-world approval processes are often more intricate, involving sequential approvals, the possibility of revisiting certain steps, and even the ability to modify approvers. If you are interested in how to do that, then meet me in our video about setting up approval systems or register for the Jodo beginner course to get started in Jodo. The Jodo Beginner course is a recurring event. For more details, refer to Become a No-Code App Developer in just 6 days. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel to check more guides. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.